Welcome to Class 8 Mathematics, Chapter A Square and A Cube. Today, we will find the side of a square when we know its area. A square has an area of 441 square meters. But what is the length of its side? That missing side is hiding inside the number 441. Let us go find it. We break down questions step by step to help you understand better. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Before we tackle 441, let us remember the basics. A square's area is side times side, that is side squared. So if the area is 49, the side is 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. Simple, right? We call 7 the square root of 49. So in general, side equals the square root of the area. Now, for our problem, side equals the square root of 441. But how do we find the square root of such a big number? Here is the secret weapon, prime factorization. When we break a number into its prime factors, if we can pair them all up, every factor appears twice, then it is a perfect square. Let us see this with 36. 2 2's make a pair and 2 3's make a pair. Piece by piece, the answer comes together. We can write this as 2 squared times 3 squared. Pick one from each pair. 2 times 3 equals 6. And 6 squared is 36. Perfect. 1 from each pair gives you the square root. Now let us use this on 441. Let us break 441 down into its prime factors. Is it divisible by 2? No, it is odd. What about 3? Let us check. 4 plus 4 plus 1 equals 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So, 441 divided by 3 is 147. If in case you did not get what we did here, let me tell you quickly. To check the divisibility of a number by 3, we add all its digits. And if the result is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. This is the reason why we added 4, 4 and 1 to get 9. And since 9 is divisible by 3, 441 is also divisible by 3. Next, 147. 1 plus 4 plus 7 equals 12 divisible by 3 again. And 147 divided by 3 is 49. Now 49, that is 7 times 7. And 7 divided by 7 is 1. We are done. So 441 equals 3 times 3 times 7 times 7. Now the fun part, pairing. 2 3's make a pair and 2 7's make a pair. Every factor is paired, so 441 is a perfect square. We can write this as 3 squared times 7 squared. And here is the magic. 3 squared times 7 squared equals 3 times 7 all squared. 3 times 7 equals 21. See how fast that was? That means 441 equals 21 squared. So the square root of 441 is 21. It really is that simple. And there it is, the square from our original problem, with area 441 square meters. The side is 21 meters. Let us verify. 21 times 21 equals 441. Perfect! Here is the method you can use every time. Step 1, the side equals the square root of the area. Step 2, prime factorize the number. Step 3, pair up the factors. Step 4, pick one from each pair and multiply. That product is your square root. Keep these in your toolkit. Now you can crack open any perfect square. Just find its prime factors, pair them up, and the square root reveals itself. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next question.